How to install older versions of any app on Android. So if you want to install older versions of any app on Android, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. Once you have an internet connection, now if you want to install older versions of any app on your Android, you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser. Now here, you can either search for a website which is Uptodown, or you can also go with the app itself. Like for example, I want to install WhatsApp older version. And after downloading or after searching, you will have a lot of options. I'll go with Uptodown here. Now if you scroll down, you will have all of the older versions right here. You can also go with see more, and you will have all of the older versions. So you can just simply scroll down and then go with see more and select the older version that you would like to download. Like for example, if I go with November 12th 2024, tap on it, and here you will have all of the information about WhatsApp Messenger of that version. Scroll down and you will have the download option right here on the left side. Once you tap on download, it will start the downloading process. That's how you can install older versions of any app on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.